Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at an interesting configuration of the HP all-in-one desktop computer. This is a machine that aims to simplify your workspace by integrating all the components into the monitor itself, giving you a clean setup with minimal cables. The specific model we're checking out is the 24-inch version, and what makes this one stand out are the upgraded internal specifications. While it's powered by an Intel Core i3-1115G4 processor, which is a capable chip for everyday tasks, the real highlight here is the memory and storage. This unit comes equipped with a massive 32 gigabytes of RAM and a speedy 1 terabyte PCIe SSD. Now, that amount of RAM is usually found in much higher-end systems, and pairing it with an entry-level i3 is a bit unusual, but it means this machine is incredibly capable when it comes to multitasking. You can have dozens of browser tabs open, run multiple applications simultaneously, and switch between them without experiencing slowdowns. The 1 terabyte SSD ensures that Windows 11 boots up in seconds, applications load almost instantly, and file transfers are lightning fast. It's worth noting that to achieve these specs, the original seal on the computer is opened professionally for the upgrade, and the upgraded SSD typically comes with its own 1-year warranty. Moving to the display, it features a 24-inch screen with a full HD resolution of 1920 by 1080 pixels. It has an anti-glare coating, which is great for reducing reflections in bright rooms. The picture quality is crisp and clear, making it suitable for watching videos, browsing the web, and working on documents. The narrow bezels around the screen also contribute to a more immersive viewing experience and give the machine a modern look. Connectivity is standard for an all-in-one, with various ports for peripherals. It comes bundled with a wired keyboard and mouse set, so you're ready to go right out of the box. There's also a built-in webcam for video calls. The machine runs on Windows 11 and includes a 1-year subscription to Office 365, adding significant value for productivity tasks. In terms of design, this particular unit comes in white, offering a clean and minimalist aesthetic that should fit well in most home or office environments. The all-in-one form factor is perfect for saving space and reducing cable clutter, making it ideal for a home office, a family computer in a common area, or even for kids doing schoolwork. While the i3 processor might not be suited for heavy video editing or demanding gaming, the combination of 32 gigabytes of RAM and a 1 terabyte SSD makes this a surprisingly capable machine for users who prioritize smooth multitasking and fast access to their files and applications. It's a configuration that punches above its weight in responsiveness for general use.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.